Hi, my name is Johnnie Irvin. I am founder and CEO of Sensitive Authentic Speaker. I teach coaches, healers, and authors in 12 weeks or less how to craft and deliver such a clear, powerful, and compelling speech that the ideal clients cannot wait to start working with them. Now, I joined the Women Speaker Association many years ago because I wanted to be in an environment where there was learning and nurturing with other speakers, and especially for women. And I saw that there was a thriving, powerful feminine energy that is strong in the WSA. And when I first joined, I was looking for support in education in the world of public speaking so I could polish my presentations and be seen in a bigger capacity. Now, today, I can say that I learned more than I expected just by being part of an audience, watching other women teaching and speaking what they offer to the world. Being relaxed, authentic, and knowledgeable in their field has given me confidence that I have grown in my field. I have watched WSA grow over the years as I have, and I can see and feel with more confidence that it's now my time to spread my wings and play a bigger role in helping others achieve their dreams. So so blessed to be part of WSA, and I really appreciate the support ongoing currently and ongoing in my future. Thank you.